Welcome back to our homestead where the chickens gossip, the goats plot escapes, and the pigs think they run the place. Come meet the animals that keep our homestead running. Welcome back to the 9 Acres. I'm Andrea, and we're going to get you an updated animal tour. I already recorded it once, but the locusts were so loud I didn't think you could hardly hear what I said. While I was editing it, it was just super annoying to me. So I was like, there's no way anybody's going to want to listen to this while they're watching this video. But as you can hear, they're still making lots of noise. And the other video I recorded in the evening, and this video I am recording, it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1:15, something like that. So I thought that maybe it wouldn't be a problem. Not so much. So we're just going to power through. Sorry about the noise, and let's show you the animals. We got our rabbits in here, along with a lot of junk on top of the rabbit hutches. I think we have, you just sat down here. This is our shed where we have our rabbits. My husband just built these hutches into the shed, and we have some hutches outside as well. Yeah, these are our rabbits. I think we have 14 right now. And it is not their favorite time of year. It's hot and they don't like it. Hey, Tom. Hey, Tom, buddy. Hey, buddy. Whew. This is Tom, one of our big male bunnies. He's a chonker. Oh, chill. You're okay. You're okay. Calm down. Anyway, you gotta get the football hold on him. Anyway, so yeah, we have about 14 rabbits. He was not into being held today. A lot of people don't like to hear this, but rabbits are a quick source of protein. They reproduce quickly and abundantly. And secondly, really the main reason why we have them is for their manure. It is garden gold, and it's not a hot manure, so you can use it immediately on your plants. And a lot of times I will just have some in a bucket, and I'll just throw a scoop down into the hole when I'm planting my plants, and they love it. They do great. I mean, don't judge that by my garden this year, because I think my garden's done. I think it's shot. It drowned, and now it's going to be hotter than all get out. So I think we're pretty much done with the garden. So I think I'm just going to have my husband mow it and call it good. Over yonder, we have our chickens. Whoopsie. Oh, look, none of our chickens are out. It is too hot. But we have our chicken run. Get over here. And we have our chicken run. A lot of them are, oh, here's some. There's some coming out to see what's going on. Our pigs dug up the ground right here, so it's not even, so my tripod isn't wanting to stand up. So, yeah, we have a bunch of chickens. I don't know, honestly, how many I have. And we have some new. I think we're going to add them to the group this evening. Once these guys go into roost, I think we're just going to add the other ones in here, and then they're just going to have to duke it out and establish their pecking order, as they say, and then it'll be all good, because they're mostly full grown. They'll be probably starting to lay here in about, I don't know, 6 weeks or so, or before that. So we need to get them out here with the rest of them and get them all mingled and get everything situated before they start laying. Our mama pig is laying in her mud. I really don't want to disturb her. She looks like she's resting peacefully. I don't even know. I can't even see the suns in my eyes. I know. It's hot. You just gotta lay there and do pig stuff, huh? That's Peaches. She's our mama pig. She's had 2 litters on our property. She's been a great mom both times. We'll come over here and we will see the babies. Oh, you're gonna get up now? Huh? You stay there. Stay in your mud. Here's all the babies. They're not so little anymore. They were born Easter Sunday. Huh? You're just curious. What do I got? Huh? Just piece of grass. Here. Is that yummy? Yummy grass for these little piggies. She had 12 this litter. Like, I don't know if you can see her. She's sitting up over there in her pen. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing to my babies? I'm not doing nothing. I don't even know if we can see Bowser. He's probably laying way back in his pen. Or maybe she's more concerned that they got something to eat and she didn't. There he is. How you doing, Bowser? Yeah? Is it about time to eat? Huh? I don't have nothing. Yeah. Not yet. We'll do chores here in a minute, okay, buddy? I know. Go back to your mud hole, huh? I know. Don't touch it. Especially when I'm touching you. You good boy, Bowser? Huh? Gotta get those scratches. Gotta get the scratches. That's our big old daddy pig. We have Bowser and Peaches. I think you can figure out where we got those names from. Oh, sorry. You're a mess, buddy. There's SARS, there's Potbelly Pig. I ain't giving you no scratches, buddy. You're all messy. You're all messy. Yeah. I know he looks rough, but I didn't know this, but apparently they shed all their hair once a year, I think. And then it just grows back. So it was interesting the first time he did it. It was funny because the first time it's like he lost all the hair like on his head. So he like went bald. It was pretty funny. Then he lost the hair all over his body and then it grew back. So, and he looked normal again. But he's our Potbelly Pig. He doesn't do anything but eat, feed, and get in trouble. Okay, we got last but not least over here. I would say is probably by far one of the cuter animals. You know, baby chicks are cute, baby pigs are cute, but baby goats are just kind of top notch on the cuteness scale, you know what I mean? I don't know if she'll let me get a hold of her baby, but we can try. This is Maple. Yeah. She's probably super friendly, friendlier than the others. Anyway, mainly if you have feed. She's kind of a fatty. Hey, look, there's Luna. She's our mama. She had a baby. You're just fat. You see the little one? That's her baby. That's Luna's baby. Oh, here she comes. Gotta save my baby. We named her baby Pepper. Yeah, she wasn't bottle fed. So they're kind of, none of them were bottle fed. So they don't really care what you're doing. They want you to stay away. And it is hot as all get out. That's why none of the animals are out. They just want to lay in the shade. All right. Let's see if we can entice them. Huh? Come here, Maple. Come here. Come here. Want to see? Huh? You want to see? Yeah. Here we go. I got one. You got stickers all over you, girlfriend. You got stickers all over you. Yeah. I know. Here. You want some more? There you go. There you go. Yeah. You're a good girl. Little one. Come here. Come here. Come here. You touching me? Trying to get the little one over here. Come here, Pepper. Come here. Come here. Your mom did it. Uh-oh. I don't know if we got that on camera. Mama and Maple just had a little headbutt session here. Look at my toes. Yes, ma'am. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like homesteading content, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you in the next one.